Hi everyone, my name is Kelsey with Supertramp Campers. Today we're going to check out the features of the 2024 Flagship LT. Let's take a look. Our construction method creates a super lightweight, strong shell that's going to last for generations. We use a process called vacuum infusion, where we use 1.5" PET foam, fiberglass, and carbon fiber. This construction method eliminates condensation, which is common with campers that have an aluminum frame. The dry weight of the camper ranges from 1,350 to 1,550 pounds, depending on the option selected. The base of the camper is 82 inches long, making it a perfect fit for most full-size trucks with a 6.5 foot bed length. The first thing you'll notice about this camper are the attractive lines that complement your vehicle. This makes it more aerodynamic than traditional boxier campers. We also have 3 standard paint colors: Battleship Gray, Sand Dune Tan, and Forest Green, or our standard high gloss white. You can also choose from 3 different decal colors to customize the look or omit them entirely. The aluminum wind fairing protects your front bulb seal and directs branches up and over the camper while off-roading. For 2024, we are stoked to be offering the new flat tinted window as an optional upgrade. At the rear of the camper, the MOLLE panel and the door window are now standard. The MOLLE panel is a great place for max tracks or rotopacks and has a 66-pound weight rating. These 2 utility doors are key to like for simplicity. Behind this door here is a 5-gallon gray water tank for the inside shower or storage if the option is omitted. The 2 11-pound propane tanks can be easily accessed on the slide-out drawer. You can easily shift the hose from one tank to the other, or use one tank for outdoor cooking or a fire pit. Above the entry door, you'll notice our outdoor light that comes in amber or soft white, and our backup camera that displays on the factory screen in your truck. The roof has 2 max air fans and 330 watts of solar. Starlink can also be added, which eliminates setup and can give you connectivity anywhere you have visibility to the sky. The sides of the camper offer a lot of customization and expandability. Each camper is vacuum infused with backer plates, which allow for you to add accessories at the factory or at a later date. Our camper comes with L-tracks, MOLLE panels, a 20x6 awning, and a shower enclosure. The L-tracks are rated to hold up to 100 pounds. You will also notice our standard 24-gallon freshwater infill, our shore power plug-in, and the Truma exhaust. We also selected the exterior electrical port to power any items outside the camper. There are 3 ways to get inside the camper: the key pad, the key fob, or the hard key. Standing at the rear of the camper, you can easily access all the controls. You have the outdoor light, the indoor light, the water pump, and the electric lift system. Our electric lift system is standard on every camper. No latches, no bungees, or weird yoga moves necessary. Our camper has a 6-inch basement where we keep many of our heavy items down low, such as our water tanks and our batteries. This area is also heated, keeping a thermal barrier between you and the cold air underneath the rig. This drawer is 51 by 21 and roughly 5 inches deep. Let's check out the inside. The first thing you'll notice is the 360-degree views out our expansive windows. The standing height is 6'9", and we have a beautiful composite ceiling with inset LED lights. Our fabric is insulated by our triple layered system. Each window has zippered mesh, zippered clear vinyl, and a zippered insulated shade. This insulation allows for you to comfortably camp down into negative temperatures. This also allows this camper to be a true 4-season unit. The camper features a queen-size bed with a 4-inch mattress and 36 inches of headroom, so you can easily sit up in bed and enjoy the balcony vibes. Each camper comes standard with 2 max air fans that feature a light and a shade. One of these fans can easily be swapped out for an air conditioner as well. The bed also rises on 2 gas struts, providing a ton of storage for clothing and gear. Here in the living area, we have a large L-shaped couch with storage under each booth. The forward booth is supported by a gas strut and has a ton of space for storage, and is also home for your 1500 watt inverter and your Guzzle H2O water filter. The 24-gallon freshwater tank is hidden underneath the floor here, low and at the front of the camper for great weight distribution. The driver's side booth is a great place for your lagoon table, backpacks, or camping chairs. The window here on the driver's side opens up and has an integrated bug screen and blackout shade. The rear booth functions as both your shower and toilet compartment. We use a cassette toilet, but you can easily swap this out for a compost or dry flush solution. If selected, you can hang up our shower curtain and also take an inside shower. There's plenty of space to prep food on our gorgeous bamboo countertop. Each camper comes standard with a 2-burner stove with a glass cover, and then a 14-inch sink and a folding faucet. Also filtered water available on board. Kitchen cabinetry fits a standard 11-inch pan and space for dry goods. And then you have a 10-foot hose hooked up ready to go with its own mixer. You have a 2.5 cubic foot fridge with a little freezer. Then you have a cutlery drawer for all those odds and ends. Here at the edge of the kitchenette, you have your electrical panel. You have your on-off switch for the inverter, which controls your 2 110-volt plugs, 2 USBs, and 1 USB-C. Standard with every camper is a 12-volt socket and 2 USBs. Then you have the Truma display, which controls your furnace and your hot water heater. And then last, your MaxxAir fan remote, which controls both MaxxAir fans. The utility cabinet hides all of our electronics. We've standardized on the Truma Combi heater because it's quiet and very efficient. We have 1 heat duct here, 1 pointed at the sleeping area, and 1 running underneath the floor, heating that basement space. We standardize on 100 amp hours of lithium batteries, and you can go all the way up to 400 amp hours of lithium. Then all components throughout the electrical box are Victron, which makes them easy to keep track of on the app. You can also learn more about our systems on the link below. The lagoon table is 18 by 23 and swivels. It's great for a laptop and a cup of coffee, or to gather a bunch of friends and enjoy a beverage. The camper comes standard with 8 different cushion colors, and all of the cushions have zippers on the back so you can easily take them off and wash them. Luxury vinyl flooring is used throughout the camper so that you can easily wash that and keep it clean. L-tracks are also positioned strategically for additional storage. Thanks so much for checking out the 2024 Flagship LT. Everything is built in-house in our facility in Golden, Colorado. You can reach out to us via our email at info@supertrampcampers.com or give us a ring at 720-724-5788. Thank you.